This is a how-to for removing an internal door. You see that on that hinges are all painted in. So obviously if I was just to put the screwdriver on that, I can't actually get to the screw. It's just gonna keep spinning, nothing in there. So get your little flat-headed screwdriver, line it up with the slot of the screw, and then just tap out the paint. See that now, you can see the screw head. Should be able to. They're still sometimes a little bit tough, but you should be able to get to the screw now. There you go. When I'm taking off a door, what I do is I take 2 out from the top hinge and leave the top screw in, then come down to the bottom, take out all the 3 on the bottom, and then come back to the top one, so you know that's not going to fall on you whilst you're taking out the bottom ones. And now we'll come down to the bottom ones. Same process, just going to tap the paint out of the screw. They should be ready to remove now. Like that one, gave a little bit of resistance, but so now we've taken out all the 3 down the bottom. You can now take your one remaining screw even out from the top hinge. And then that will be the door released. If you was trying to save your paintwork on this, if it was already painted, you could just run your Stanley knife around the edge of the hinge so it didn't take all the paint off. We're not too fussed on this one because we're going to be repainting the frame anyway. And that is your door removed.